You know, these awards, because as I said, without family visits, no awards. So one has gone to family of Mark Batchelor, has gone to a family of Ntemi Mpilis, one has gone to a family of Mashatini or Gibson Kente. I've entered their homes, you know. I just want you to understand, the message is simple to all families, that at the awards, they will see the opposite of the funeral. Because at the funeral, in terms of cash, others, they use blankets, they can't see, you can't think straight. But many years later, the person will be able to speak now or about how loving the husband was and vice versa. But I want to tell you about the impact. The awards have got a healing effect. Last year, 2024, I was asked, there's a lady who lost a child. She was knocked by a car dead. And there was asked that, because somebody has experienced the awards, requested her to be part of the awards. And she cried throughout the awards, I'm told. But she wrote a message thereafter. When she saw the 5 Mapiano artist families were on stage talking about the tragedy that they all passed on too early, then she realized that she was not the only one hurting. 1, 2. There's a gentleman, I will never forget what he said. This guy had a white wedding. I was not aware that he recently got married. Then what he did, he promised the wife, the bride, honeymoon overseas. He didn't have enough money. So I invited him. He came to the awards. He told me something I was not aware. He said specifically wanted a private meeting. I was not sure what was this all about. He said it's as awards related. And he related the story to me. That he got married and he made a promise to his wife that he was going to take her overseas for honeymoon. He didn't have money. He brought her to the awards. He says after the awards, the bride said, "You don't owe me the overseas trip." I've never seen such an award ceremony. Yes, she was correct. These awards, you call them posthumous. When we do these awards, when we plan them, there is entertainment in between. There's entertainment in between. And we have elements of surprise. I promoted the soul using the awards, Siaba Kumbula 2010, 2011, that somebody will adopt these people. Though there was rejection, who are these? You know, it's like a cappella. But I tell you, through the Siaba Kumbula Awards, everybody today knows the soil. They took South Africa by storm and end up abroad. So I'm saying we have these elements of surprise. We've got kangaroo. People are going to be shocked to see people as though they don't have bones this year. Now, we had Abangobe, I'm sure they brought the roof down last year. They stole the show. This year, we've got 5-time Grammy Award winners. So things are heavy this year. So I think those are, I'm just giving people hints and that it's total fireworks. I normally joke and say, we need to organize painkillers for people who are not going to be able to take the impact of the entertainment, you know. And my other joke is we may provide helmets, not for scooter drivers or go to the mine, Makarapas, because the impact of what we do, some people may collapse, so at least to protect their heads, they need helmets, scooter drivers. But that's us. That when I say you need Panados, it's because we'll blow people positively in terms of extraordinary, incredible performances here.